Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm going to quickly unbox the March Faith Art box from Creative Retreat Kits. I have been on their creative team for almost 2 years now, so I have tons of videos on my channel. I believe there's a Creative Retreat Kits playlist, and so you can check that out and see all the videos that I have on my channel. Be sure to head on over and check out the Creative Retreat Kits YouTube channel as well, and the design team will be posting over there so you can kind of get some inspiration on how to use these kits each month. So let's dive in and take a look at everything that comes in the kit this month and the themes. So let's start with a devotional pamphlet here. This is Living Water, and it was written by Jen Coram. And this month we're going to be looking at spiritual thirst, and we'll be looking at the story of the Samaritan woman, and there are tons of scriptures to check out this month. I like the way that she approached the devotionals, a little bit different than some of the other devotionals I've done around this topic, so I'm excited to revisit it in a different way. And you can see up here you've got several verses to check out, and then down here you've got a little bit of information about Jen and who she is, and then on the side here you've got some reflection questions to kind of help you interact with the devotional content. And this month there are 5. I usually pop in, take a look at the devotional, do an entry or two, and then I usually come back and revisit it. And by the end of the month, I pulled out new stuff that I didn't initially see the first time I went through it. So it's kind of nice that you can pick and choose how to work through these kits. They're not dated, they're not numbered, it's not like 14 days or 30 days. It's just a nice short little devotional that you can kind of revisit as you need to or want to throughout the month. On the back side here is the printed cardstock with this fun like dry brush pattern. I always at the end of the month when I am done working through the devotional, I use this portion to cut out tabs and tags and tip-ins and shapes and letters and all kinds of fun things out of this. I don't say the devotionals, they're pretty short. Once I work through them, I just have so much product I won't revisit it. So I just use this up and use it in an entry or use it as inspiration for an entry in my Bible journaling. So everything else is going to coordinate with that living water theme that we're looking at. Let's take a look at the stamp set this month because it is a little bit different than what we've seen from Creative Retreat Kits. A little bit different style this month, so let us know what you think. You've got this really fun, like sketchy well, and this really reminds me of the Art Impressions stamps. I've never used them. I've watched lots of videos. I would love to try them out. But you can stamp these with like water-soluble markers and then take a damp paintbrush to kind of pull out the color and kind of give it this like no line watercolor effect. So I may try something like that this month with this stamp because it kind of has that vibe to it. And then you've got this little pitcher and some like droplets that you can put like coming out of the pitcher or as just decorative elements. You've got a filled and unfilled water droplet. If you are a planner girl, this would be a good stamp set for you because I know there's a lot of people who track their water intake. I don't have my life together enough to do that, but I know some of you out there do in planners. And so this would be a great stamp set to use for that. And then you've got this bold living water piece here, and then quench at the thirst well it is, pure and spiritual. So lots of different words that you can kind of rearrange to make different titles and sentiments. I love the kind of change up in font. Just the style is very different this month, which is kind of fun change up, especially if you've been doing kits from Creative Retreat for a while. It's definitely a different style this month, so it's kind of fun. So lots of great pieces jam-packed into that 3x4 stamp set. This month we're back to getting the bow clips, and this black leatherette bow is gonna be like, I need 50 of these. They are so cute, such like a good staple bow. And then this one you'll notice has that custom like paintbrush swatch print on it in the blue and white. So really cute. I love all the different bows. I love looking at the top of my Bible and having all these different bows on the top as I work through all the different kits. It's kind of fun. Next up, you've got the 2 sheets of cardstock stickers. You've got this one here that has the word fetty, the wonky hearts. You've got some of these circle pieces. In the past, I mentioned that I like to use these as tabs, and then I top them off with these. Mine are kind of dirty and gross, but I top them off with these round 1-inch clear epoxy stickers, and it kind of gives them some dimension and just, I don't know, makes them kind of fun. So I found that the ones from Amazon are the best, so I will link those down below. The ones from Hobby Lobby turn yellow over time, so don't rush out and grab those ones. I would recommend getting the ones from Amazon instead. We've got some big, like really fun, like brush lettered words. You've got Jesus, forever, spiritual, and thirst. Really like the change of font this month. You've got a cross and some little water droplets in there. And then again, we've got these really fun labels. I love the shape of the labels. We had these last month as well. So I like layering the alpha stickers on these, or stamping the date, or layering it behind things. So I like that we've got those. The alpha set this month is so adorable. Not like any of the alphas we've had in the past. They are these little water droplets, and you've got a full alpha with some punctuation and some numbers down here. So I'm excited to see how you guys get super creative with spelling out your titles and your journaling with these alpha stickers. Definitely be following the Creative Retreat blog, like I said, the YouTube channel, the Instagram, to see how the design team kind of uses the kit this month. We all have a different style and a different way of approaching it, and so it's really fun to see everybody's take with the kits each month. So there is a look at the kit this month. Check out the corresponding blog post, because I'll also have a photo of all the color swatching I did. There were a couple colors that were hard to match for certain products, so they're all going to be just a little bit different, and I encourage you to shop your stash. Don't feel like you have to go out and buy a whole bunch of new products. There are great matches for the Creative Retreat inks if you've not tried those before. Those are super awesome, and of course they match really, really well with the colors of the kit. So there will be a photo of these over on the blog, as well as links to where you can shop all of these products down below. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.